Hello everyone, myself Chandrakant Bhosle. Today we will start with polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism means poly means many forms. So wait, what? Many forms. Many forms of a method is called polymorphism. Polymorphism is a process of providing multiple implementation multiple implementation to a method to perform some operations on the basis of parameters type parameters types or subtype. Method types or subtypes. Multiple behaviors the same method can behave differently depends depending on the object called depending on the object called. Polymorphism, there is two types of polymorphism. One is a compile time polymorphism. Second is a runtime. Compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In compile time, method overloading. Method overloading. Static binding. Early binding. Early binding match. Then is a runtime is a method override Static binding is a dynamic binding. Early binding is then late binding. Early binding and late binding. Compile time polymorphism handle the compiler. Compile time and compiler handle the compiler. What is method overloading? If the class having two or more methods with the para to the parameter list. Parameter list can be different. Two or more methods with parameter with the same name with the same name but they are different parameter list. Code overloading. Having two or more methods that the same name but different parameter list. So called method overloading. There is number of parameters. Number of parameters can be different. Can be different. Number of parameters can be different. Type of parameter can be different. Of parameters can be different. Sequence of parameters. Okay. Different. How to write it? We will check. Class user class employee class user can extend employee can extend user. User we will create one method void user login user login. and here also same method name also same. Void login. Second, the login will create object. E dot login. We'll check how it works. User login to we can access this method and body in the employee class. Then we will require super dot login. Then we will be called if you don't have used super, then you want then you we want to create user u is equal to user dot login. Okay. They first this type of so simple way to create log, but this is not required to create this type of object. Directly access to using super keyword. Simple user login, first user login and second user login. We will create here at the rate override method. Don't need to write here override. So overloading method. If you are using runtime polymorphism, then we will to require to create override. Then we can we have number of parameters can be different. Parameter can be type of parameter can be different. We can create here a string name. Then will be second runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is a method overriding and dynamic binding and late binding. Runtime polymorphism is handled by JVM. Handled by JVM. What is method writing? Method overriding. Parent class method in child class method is called method override. we can redefine it here. Redefine redefined parent class methods are child class method called method overriding. Method overriding occurs in between two classes, which has parent and child class, which is a parent and child class relationship. Parent class and child class signature are should be same. Signature means parameter name or method name should be same here. Add this method name same, method name same. We can access here. We can create another method word register. This polymorphism used for for example, login purpose. We can log in with username, password, or log in with multiple. Here will be multiple methods will be create. First will be login with the username, password. Second with the login with the email. Second third will be login with Facebook, email ID. Only email ID required. Then we will login. It's a multiple forms will be create. Second, first register form will be created. If employee want to log in with username, password, or if you have login with any kind of other websites, then there are multiple choice will be use login with username, password. If you are using lead code, then will be multiple logins form are available for username, password, email ID, or otherwise other social media, Facebook. We can add it. Word register name will be same. Method register form. There is no right to object. There will be only super can call. Then automatically call that e dot register. It will be called automatically. Today we have done a runtime polymorphism and compile time, polymorphism. This is important for interview. Interview will be asked what is polymorphism, then we'll be continue with this description. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.